If you're looking to make a small change with the big benefits, I highly recommend trying Simply the Great Foods A2 ghee. You might just love it as much as I do. I begin my day with a cup of hot water, adding few strands of saffron and a teaspoon of A2 ghee. This combination not only tastes wonderful but also supports my digestion and overall wellness. I then take panjiri, which is a classic Indian snack made with whole wheat flour, ghee, nuts and dried fruits. It's perfect for boosting energy and is super delicious. If you would like to order these excellent products, you can simply check out the link below. Simply the Great Food are the pioneer in producing the A2 ghee in UAE. A2 ghee is also rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins and antioxidants, making it a healthier choice for your cooking and baking needs. Incorporating A2 ghee into your diet can improve digestion, boost immunity, and provide your body with essential nutrients. So for better health and wellness, choose A2 ghee. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Today I'm getting craving for a crispy paratha with a fried egg, which I'm going to make now. Simply the Great Foods are a small business and they offer a fantastic range of organic products that are easy on your pockets. All their products are crafted with the same commitment to quality and purity, ensuring you get the best for your kitchen and your health. By choosing Simply the Great Food, you're not only getting the top-notch organic products, but also you're supporting a small business dedicated to bringing you the best. Check out the link below to explore their full range of products. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe for more healthy tips and delicious recipes from Crafted Kitchen.